Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Blender rendering crash. If you are getting an error, Blender has stopped working, or if you are not getting an error, it will fix them both. So first of all, you have to open Blender and go to this render and check this lock interface checkbox like this. Then render, it will not crash. If it is crashing even after clicking this tick box, so you have to go to render properties, and if you are using cycles or even you are using EV, so go to this simplify, click the tick box and do the max subdivision to 2 or 3, and if you are using cycles, do this max subdivision to 2 and texture limit to 4K. Now it will not crash. If it fix your problem, please hit like and subscribe. Thank you.